Let's ignore the fact that we don't have enough concrete in the known universe to do this. Let's just assume humanity suddenly decides to turn 70% of the Earth's surface into the world's saddest parking lot. We are paving over the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, all of them. We are putting a giant asphalt lid on the planet's water supply. The immediate illusion of benefit is obvious. The ultimate road trip. You could drive your Honda Civic from New York to London without stopping. Interstate 95 just got a whole lot longer. But here's the reality check, brought to you by the unfeeling laws of physics. The ocean isn't just a wet hole. It's a dynamic system with average depths of about 12,000 feet or 3,600 meters. When you seal that off, you accept the package deal of fluid dynamics. Water is incompressible. And now, it's trapped underneath a lid that is notoriously brittle under tension. The first major storm will create swells that lift millions of tons of asphalt and snap it like a saltine cracker. The world's new highway will immediately become a jagged hellscape of broken concrete violently churning in a salty soup. But let's assume we used magic, indestructible space concrete. Now the real horror begins. You've just blocked the sunlight to the phytoplankton. These tiny guys produce about 50% of the world's oxygen. They all die instantly. So take a deep breath, because it's one of your last good ones. Meanwhile, beneath the pavement, the entire marine ecosystem dies in the dark. It becomes an anaerobic, rotting planetary stew. The smell escaping through the cracks would be indescribable. Above ground, the climate collapses. The ocean regulates global temperature. Without evaporation, it stops raining everywhere. The black asphalt absorbs solar radiation, heating the surface to a delightful 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius. We have effectively turned the Earth into a convection oven set to broil. We traded a vibrant, living life support system for a flat surface that cooks us alive. It is the ultimate triumph of civil engineering over common sense. Nobody asked for this video, but thank you for watching anyway. Stay curious, stay weird, and I'll see you in the next question.